today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 different ways you can style your long traditional jacket for festive season. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. So without any further delay, let's dive into video.
Hey guys, so in the first style, I'm wearing a red crop top. With red धोती, because फेस्टिवल में अगर ब्राइट कलर नहीं पहना तो क्या पहना. Now comes the jacket, this long jacket which I am going to style for you all in this video. I like this long jacket because of the color and also it has a frill at the end of the sleeves and the hemline. Adding some silver jewelry and watch and you are good to go. So in the second look, I am wearing high-waisted jeans. This gives Indo-Western look which you can wear in any festival. Adding a choker gives so much boho vibe to this whole look. What do you say? For the third look, I am wearing this jacket as a skirt. Now take a safety pin and attach it with the jeans. इससे स्कर्ट अपनी पोजीशन पे रहेगी. And this is the fourth look and the bonus one. You can simply add a dupatta in this whole look which make it different and more traditional look.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very useful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share this video and also comment down below if you want such more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon. You will never